Cobra stretch. Cobra stretching with Josh. On your bellies and put your hands to your sides like Josh. Ready to push up and become cobras? And Cobra! And down. Great job. Let's go again. Hands to your side and ready to push up. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. That's not easy. Well done. Let's go again. Hands to your side. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. Let's become flying cobras this time. Hands in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Whooshing in the air. Oh, well done. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Cobra Airlines! Great job.